Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check for spy apps on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, go to your settings and select General. Next, scroll down and tap on iPhone Storage. This will display all the apps on your device. You can tap on the Size column and then select Last Used to see the most recently accessed apps. Review this list carefully to ensure you recognize all the apps. If you spot something unfamiliar, it could potentially be spyware. You can go into that app, select Offload App, or if you want to remove it completely, tap on Delete Apps. That is the first step, but let's look at more things. Go back and tap on Safari. Here, you can check for any Safari extensions installed on your iPhone. If you see extensions that you didn't intentionally install, I recommend removing them. Now let us check something else. Go back and select Battery. This will show you which apps have used your battery over the last 24 hours. If you suspect an app might be running in the background and tracking your location or calls, review the battery usage. For instance, if you see an app like Reddit showing significant battery usage and you haven't used it, that could be a red flag. Next, you can check privacy and security. Here, look at location services to see which apps have requested access to your location. A gray arrow means an app has used your location in the last 24 hours, while a purple arrow means it has recently accessed it. If you notice an app using your location that you are not comfortable with, you can adjust its settings to never or delete the app. You can also tweak the access apps have to your microphone and camera and turn those off if needed. If you are gone through these steps and still feel something is off, consider going back to General and selecting Software Update. Keeping your software up to date can help fix bugs, glitches, or security vulnerabilities. As a last resort, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings or Erase All Content and Settings. Just ensure your data is backed up before doing this, as it will wipe everything and allow you to start fresh with only the apps you want. And that is everything you need to know about how to check for spy apps on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.